Hello guys! If you want to add a wireless display feature to your desktop and it fails to download every time, so here is an easy tutorial for all of you. Go to the settings in the lower left corner and click on the system. Then go to the projecting to this PC option at the bottom. Click on the optional features in it. Then add a feature and search for wireless display and click on it, then add. Then you will see that it shows could not be added. To solve this issue, let's do this. Go to Settings, click on the Network and Internet button, and go to Properties. Scroll it down and you will see a metered connection there which is on. Simply turn it off and go back to add the wireless display feature again. Congratulations, guys, it has been added. That's all. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.